What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss out on the insane dessert creations we cook up in this kitchen. Speaking of insane, you ever have leftover donuts and think, man, I wish I could turn these into something even more delicious? Yeah, me too. Which is why today we're tackling that's right, 6 mind-blowing desserts using your leftover donuts. Get ready to have your minds blown, your taste buds tantalized, and your donut game forever changed. This is going to be epic, so buckle up, grab your ingredients, and let's get this donut party started. This is going to blow your mind. I bet you didn't know you could turn leftover donuts into an amazing dessert. For a delightful leftover donut tiramisu, start by layering slices of donuts in a dish. Next, mix together 1 cup of mascarpone cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a splash of vanilla extract. Spread this creamy mixture over the donut slices. Repeat the layers until you reach the top of the dish. Finally, dust with cocoa powder and refrigerate for a few hours before serving. Enjoy this unique twist on a classic dessert. Next up, we're taking things to the next level with some donut French toast. We're talking crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. It's the breakfast, or dessert, of champions. Here's what you need: 4 donuts, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of butter. Easy peasy, right? Now whisk together the eggs, milk, vanilla, and cinnamon in a shallow dish. Slice your donuts in half and dunk them in the egg mixture, making sure they're fully coated. Heat the butter in a skillet over medium heat and cook the donut halves for about 2 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and glorious. Serve them up with your favorite toppings: powdered sugar, syrup, fruit, whipped cream. The possibilities are endless. This is one breakfast, or dessert, that will make you want to dance with joy. All right, it's time to cool things down with some donut ice cream sandwiches. These bad boys are the perfect way to beat the heat and satisfy your sweet tooth at the same time. You'll need 6 donuts, 1 pint of your favorite ice cream, and some sprinkles because sprinkles make everything better. Let's do this. Cut your donuts in half, grab a scoop of ice cream, and sandwich it between 2 donut halves. Roll the edges in sprinkles for that extra touch of magic, and there you have it, the easiest, most delicious ice cream sandwich you'll ever make. Feel free to get creative with your ice cream flavors and toppings. This is your chance to let your inner child run wild. Chapter 4, Donut Trifle, Layers of Donutty Goodness. We're stepping up our game with this next one, Donut Trifle. It's a beautiful layered dessert that's perfect for potlucks, parties, or just because you deserve a treat. Here's what you need: 4 donuts, 1 cup of your favorite pudding, 1 cup of whipped cream, and half a cup of your favorite fruit, chopped. First, cut your donuts into bite-sized pieces. Layer half of the donut pieces in the bottom of a trifle dish. Top with half of the pudding, half of the whipped cream, and half of the fruit. Repeat the layers, ending with a flourish of whipped cream and fruit on top. This trifle is a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. It's the perfect way to impress your friends and family with your donut wizardry. Chapter 5, Donut Milkshake, the Ultimate Indulgence. Get ready for a sugar rush because it's donut milkshake time. This is the ultimate indulgence for all you milkshake lovers out there. You'll need 2 donuts, 2 cups of milk, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and whipped cream for topping. Let's blend this baby up. Combine the donuts, milk, and ice cream in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into your favorite glass, top with a mountain of whipped cream, and get ready to sip on pure donut heaven. Pro tip: drizzle some chocolate sauce on the inside of the glass for an extra touch of decadence. Pause 3S. Chapter 7, Donut and Butter Pudding, a delightful twist. Ever wondered what to do with those leftover donuts? Here's a rich and buttery pudding that's sure to impress. Perfect for any occasion, this recipe combines the sweetness of donuts with the creamy texture of traditional pudding. First, gather your ingredients: leftover donuts, 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Cut your leftover donuts into bite-sized pieces and place them in a buttered baking dish. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the milk, eggs, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt until well combined. Pour this mixture over the donut pieces, ensuring they are fully soaked. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the donuts to absorb the custard mixture. Then bake in the preheated oven for 35 minutes, or until the top is golden and the pudding is set. Serve warm, and for an extra indulgent treat, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. This donut and butter pudding is not just a dessert, it's a comforting hug in a bowl. Enjoy every bite of this delightful twist on a classic dessert. Introducing a brand new way to use leftover donuts that will blow your mind. This recipe transforms your leftover donuts into fun and delicious donut truffles, perfect for any occasion. These truffles are sure to impress your friends and family. Stay tuned for the step-by-step guide on how to make these delightful treats. First, gather your ingredients, leftover donuts, cream cheese, chocolate chips, and some colorful sprinkles. Begin by mixing the donut pieces and cream cheese together until well combined, then roll the mixture into small balls and place them on a tray. Chill the donut balls in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, melt the chocolate chips until smooth. Dip each donut ball into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. For a playful touch, sprinkle some colorful sprinkles on top. Place the truffles back in the fridge to set for another 15 minutes. And there you have it. Donut truffles that are both fun and delicious, bringing together the best of both worlds. Get ready to impress everyone with this new donut delight. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible donut-tastic desserts that will blow your mind. Which one are you dying to try first? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.